Well, we know this. Young people doing good things, that's a favorite topic of the Land of 10,000 Stories.
But the good being spread by the young man you're about to meet could yield dividends for years to come. Boyd Hupert has his story.
Hi, good morning, Gideon Pond.
At Burnsville's Gideon Pond Elementary, the message
Make a positive choice.
is delivered by the principal.
And I was amazed at the brilliance that walked through this door.
Almost as important here
Good morning, guys.
as the guy who makes it stick.
During the school day, he is the glue.
Good morning.
Take a good look at Hudayfi Barsu.
You want to take over?
While you can, he's going places.
Greet your neighbor.
Going dancing. Going for that smile. Going to avert yet another educational crisis.
He forgot his socks, so he was going to get one more socks from the nurse today.
But before we go any further, you should know about the changes taking place at Gideon Pond.
What is it going to blend into?
More than 40% of the students here are now Somali,
Just like if you poured two liquids together,
while 0%
right?
of the teachers are.
I'm yet to interview a candidate.
And not because Principal Chris Belmont hasn't been trying.
I would love to, yeah.
Trying since arriving 2 years ago from his old job as an assistant principal at Burnsville High School, where he took a liking to a broad-smiled founder of the high school's Muslim Student Association.
I remember being really impressed with Hudayfi's leadership even at 16, 17, 18 years old.
Hudayfi graduated, took some community college courses, and was working at a Kmart when he found himself summoned.
We had an opening for an educational assistant.
It was fast, quick.
A 15-minute interview was all it took to be reminded of the kind of kid I knew 5 years before.
What do you call when the wind hits you?
It's easy
Freeze.
to understand why Hudayfi feels a connection to new immigrants,
Coco.
having arrived in this strange new place himself at the age of 11.
Speak English?
Nope.
Were you scared?
Yes.
It's also telling that Hudayfi takes this part of his job so seriously.
I'm worrying about today. You were not listening.
Among Hudayfi's acquaintances at Burnsville High were some of the young Somali men convicted of the plot to join the terrorist organization ISIS.
2 or 3 kids were from my class. Reading about it, it's just memories come back. The choices, the good choices I made.
Choices he attributes to his mentors,
Do you apologize to the person you hurt?
like the young man Hudayfi
Okay then, can we do that here?
has become.
I think Hudayfi is like a brother to me.
That's 5th grader Jabril Osman reading an essay he wrote.
Hudayfi is a working man, and he's my role model.
Being respectful, that's it. Okay? Come on. Can I see some smile?
All that wisdom.
Okay. Thank you.
23 years old.
I know many of the kids that he works with might be from the Somali culture, but I know every kid in the school looks up to him.
I know you're gonna do really great when we go back, okay?
What you're seeing is authenticity. It's limitless, the effect he can have on the rest of the world.
Already Hudayfi has affected his principal.
But they're gonna go fast.
Chancellor Manor is home to most of the school's Somali families.
We'll set them out, everybody will pick one.
And for years, Hudayfi's home, too.
You should take it and read it.
Can I give a book for her?
During his first visit here alone, the new principal was mistaken for an FBI agent.
Some parents will worry about it.
Now Hudayfi has helped Principal Belmont feel at home here, too.
I don't know what he cannot do. I'm not sure. I'm truly not sure.
I show you how to shoot. Don't throw this like this. Don't do all this.
That struggle
All there?
to find the school's first Somali teacher,
Like Mr. Dungy taught you guys. Yeah. Yeah.
Hudayfi,
Yes.
might just have that covered, too.
I want to be a teacher in elementary.
I have dibs on Hudayfi. That's like, we want him back in the school.
Really?
Hudayfi
Nice.
is now looking into colleges.
Bye, guys.
The soon-to-be student
Good night. Make sure you sleep and read a book, okay?
already
It was a good day.
teaching.
Busy day, but good day.
Boyd Hupert, KARE 11 News, Burnsville.